So hello everyone, in this video I just wanted to show the method I'm using to charge and discharge and test the capacity of lithium-ion batteries. I got this flat one over here. You can just show how it's done. So first off, you get a multimeter after you've charged this. So what I did is use the LiPo program, and then you would select the current. It's safer to do like 1C or something like that. So basically 1 amp is good, just as if you would use any of those other chargers that have like 4 bays in them, or the little circuits, the TP4056 ones. And then you select whether it's a 2S or 1S or up to 6S. Actually this is balance charging. We want charging. Okay, and then you select 1S and you connect this and you charge it up all the way up to 4.2. I'm using LiPo because it goes all the way up to 4.2, but if you use lithium ion, this is cells. That's phosphide, I guess. It's what is it called? This is lithium ion. If you use it, or probably just go over up to 4.10. But still, lithium ion we can do better than that, up to 4.2. So I'm using LiPo program, and then you charge it. There is fast charge if you want to. If you have like a group of cells, as I used to do with these, I set it up to fast charging and do like 3 amps or something like that. So after charging it, I'll just come up and after a few days, I've heard from this guy you should just leave them for a couple of weeks to see if they discharge quite rapidly. Self-discharging. So as you can see, this one has been sitting like for 3 days or something like that, or even more, and it's still at 4.19, which is good, indicating that it's a good cell. Now what do we do? Instead of using these discharge programs that are here, we go straight to nickel cadmium program, and then we choose discharge, and in here you can set the discharge current you want. If you know your cell can handle it, you can do a higher discharge rate, but otherwise you'll just do 1 amp and less than 1 amp. And then you set the voltage here. You can set any voltage you want basically, so it can go up to like 14.9, 15, and then 0.1 volts. So what I usually do is either 2.5 if I want to like completely discharge a cell, or 3 volts, and I note down the capacity right there. So we connect the positive to positive like so, and then negative to negative, right? And there you go. And then you press start for a while, and you can see it is discharging right there. So I'm gonna stop now because I don't wanna follow this until the end. I can show you a couple of, or a lot actually. These are some other flat ones. As you can see, I've tested them. It's about 237 milliamp hours at 3 volts. This one actually, and the rated it's 2200, which is pretty close. It means these cells are still good. They haven't had a lot of use in their life. I've got these ones as well. These ones also Give me some pretty good numbers, like 3,300. That's very good for for a thin cell like this. All right. I've tested like even more cells in here. These are not mine. Some guys. So, and here are mine. These three are new. The rated capacitor here is closer to 2200, which is actually what the seller says. And these are all different cells that I've got from battery packs, laptop battery packs. Yeah, those are the good ones that showed great numbers, like from 800 up to 20 something 2000 milliamp hours, and these are like less than that, way less. These are very low. So yeah, I gathered them here, so I'll redo some other tests later on, and if you can see, I've also this IMAX is genuine one by SkyRC. You can see this one is very old. It can also give you the this is a barometer just to tell you the voltage, and it has also the internal resistance that you can check. This one is 154. This one actually is pretty high compared to its brothers, which were about 90 something, 95, 93. Yeah. So that's handy as well, the internal resistance, to use like the similar batteries in the same pack, so we have like a good balanced battery.